Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In October 2021, Mark Zuckerberg announced the change of his company's name from Facebook to Meta. The rebranding of his company is just a first step in his plan of building his own metaverse. Since then, the word metaverse has become one of the most commonly searched words on Google. In this video, let us find out what this metaverse is and how we can make money out of it. So, what is the metaverse? Why has Zuckerberg changed Facebook's name? Why is everyone searching on this topic? Metaverse, in simple words, is a three-dimensional digital virtual world. It mainly focuses on building social connection, not just through text messages and video calls, but in a way you fully feel your presence in this virtual world. In the metaverse, you can buy virtual land and build houses, mansions, and whatever you want to build. You can invite people over and host events, you can play games and earn tokens, and interact with different people from across the globe. You need virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, headset. And guess what? Apple is reportedly planning to release a headset that is a blend of VR and AR by the end of this year. And sources say the cost would be somewhere around $3,000. Mark Zuckerberg believes that the metaverse will be the successor to the mobile internet. He says that instead of staring at a screen, we can be physically present in these experiences, calling it the embodied internet. So many big companies are interested in making major changes and launching new product to fit into this new virtual world of metaverse. So what can we do to make the most profit from this novelty as a small consumer? To know everything about making money in the metaverse, stay tuned to the end of the video. Before we know how to invest in the metaverse, let us first understand why we should invest in the metaverse. One of the leaders in digital currency investments, the Grayscale investment company, says that the metaverse will be worth $1 trillion in a few years. Another digital investment company called Republic Realm made a new world record when it purchased a piece of virtual land in the Sandbox, a very popular metaverse, for a whopping $4.3 million. One more remarkable example of the metaverse investments is the virtual luxury ship called the Metaflower Super Mega Yacht, with notable amenities such as 2 helipads, a DJ station, and many hot tubs. You can make a rough guess of how much it cost. The yacht was sold for 149 Ether tokens, which roughly equals $650,000 US. The Metaflower has officially become the most expensive NFT non-fungible token sold in the Sandbox. Many celebrities like Justin Bieber, Ariana Grande, and DJ Marshmello have already started doing concerts in the metaverse in their avatar forms. Reality TV star Paris Hilton even hosted a New Year's Eve party on her virtual island called Paris World. The island is a virtual replica of her real estate in Beverly Hills, which we can go and visit in the metaverse. The opportunities and experiences the metaverse can offer you are endless. Metaverse can take the work from home experience to the next level. You can sit in your room and put on the gadget, and metaverse will make you feel like you are in your office room. You can literally be in a room with others, see their expressions, and make eye contact. Imagine how real this would feel compared to the Google Meets we work with right now. Enough being said about the prospects of the metaverse. Let us now see how we can invest in the metaverse. Number 5. Cryptocurrency. Investing in cryptocurrencies that support the metaverse is one way to start your investment. Cryptocurrency is digital money or virtual money secured by cryptography, which works on blockchain technology. So firstly, you have to create a crypto wallet and load it with the said currency. The most popular cryptocurrency tokens in the metaverse are Mana, the currency of Decentraland, SAN of the Sandbox metaverse, AXS of Axie Infinity, which mainly focuses on video games, and Alice token of My Neighbor Alice. The worth of these tokens has soared up significantly after the change of Facebook's name to Meta. These tokens are used to buy lands in different metaverses, purchase in-game NFTs, which are non-fungible tokens, and buy outfits for your avatar. These tokens can be traded for other cryptocurrency and therefore called fungible tokens. The token's value also changes based on the asset you're buying using the token. The more valuable the asset you acquire, the more valuable the token you use to purchase it. Popular metaverse companies like Decentraland burn the used Mana token, which is, as I already said, the native currency of Decentraland, so that the value of the unused tokens remaining will increase. But keep in mind, investing in cryptocurrency is still a risky business. Therefore, you should research and invest carefully. It is commonly said that it is better to invest the money you are willing to lose. Number 4. Metaverse Index, or MVI. If you want to reduce the risk but still be involved with the metaverse, a good option would be to invest in the Metaverse Index, or short, MVI. Metaverse Index can be viewed as a meta version of stock market indices. It understands and picturizes the ups and downs of best performing metaverse token in the present scenario. It is a more diluted and safer way of investment, and thus the best suited option for those who are not risk takers. Number 3. Stocks. Metaverse is a novel concept, and a lot of groundwork still needs to be done. The infrastructure building and development of these metaverses are funded by the stocks that support these metaverses. The stocks may be of any company that wants to be part of the metaverse. Companies can be involved in developing 3D software, making VR and AR headsets, or building networking technologies. For example, Meta has envisaged its own metaverse platform named Horizon Worlds, an online game where you can play and explore the spaces around you. You can also teleport to a nearby area. The common stock options include Meta, Roblox, Microsoft, Apple, Boeing, NVIDIA, and Unity. Number 2. Real estate. Real estate in the virtual world of Web 3.0 has already begun. Top companies like The Sandbox and Decentraland have already sold many plots of virtual land in exchange for NFTs, the non-fungible token. As I told you at the beginning of the video, the digital investment company called Republic Realm purchased land in The Sandbox for a whopping $4.3 million. Once you buy the land, you can build your own home, office, or whatever you want. You can copy Snoop Dogg, build yourself a mansion, and showcase your NFTs for others to see if that's what you want. To buy a plot in the metaverse, you should first choose from which platform you'll buy your land. As I said earlier, the popular platforms are The Sandbox and Decentraland. Once you choose your location, you should build your crypto wallet with the currency. Then go to the platform's marketplace you have chosen and link your digital wallet to it. Finally, you should weigh down the price, the location, and the value of the land before you confirm your purchase. This part is similar to the traditional real estate business. Now that you have confirmed which land you will purchase, you need to acquire the valid tokens for that platform. Decentraland uses Mana token, whereas The Sandbox uses Sand token. What's left? Go bid and buy your land. You can sell your land to someone for a better price, or even lease your land for a certain amount. Number 1. Non-fungible token, or NFTs. NFTs are currently in high demand. You're represented by your avatars in the metaverse, and your avatars need styling to stand apart from the rest. You can do this by adding clothing and other accessories. These assets make up your NFTs. Go to the marketplace of the metaverse platform of your choice and check out their collectibles and wearables. Some of these are limited edition NFTs, and thus their demand can increase with increasing popularity. In-game assets are also NFTs. For example, the popular NFT video game Axie Infinity is played on a blockchain, and other players earn something called Smooth Love Potion, or SLP, which is a gaming token. SLPs are not just gaming tokens, they have real value in USD. And that's how this is the major source of income for the metaverse players. Players use SLPs to rear their virtual pets called Axies and breed them. Axies are in-game assets that can be used as NFTs. You need to collect Axies to play more games on Axie Infinity. Some games even provide land as NFTs. Players can farm these lands, upgrade them, level up their characters, and make money. To know the worth of these lands, let's look at the highest sold plot of land in Axie Infinity. Lunacia, a Genesis plot of land, was sold for a whopping $2.5 million. Crypto Voxels is another metaverse where you can build virtual museums on your land and showcase your rare and valuable NFTs. There are many ways to invest in the metaverse, and the best option varies from person to person. Some of the common investment options we discussed in this video are metaverse-related cryptocurrencies, tokens, and stock, non-fungible token, virtual real estate, and metaverse index. Whichever option you choose, don't forget that the metaverse is still at the beginning of its growth, and therefore is highly risky. So do extensive research before you invest, and be careful. Is the experience of metaverse worth the risk? What do you think? Comment your opinion, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more.